Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this pipe and how to use this swift command, swift based command in Solidworks software, and how to make a pipe by using the swift based command in Solidworks software. I will show. So at first I'm going to the file and taking the new file. The part is selected, then OK. So I'm doing in 2021 Solidworks software. You can do it in others versions. So I'm going here and selecting the MMGS. Front plane is selected. Go to the sketch and taking the line. Then I'm sketching a line. Then I'm creating a line. Then I'm going to select the fillet and I'm taking the radius is 5 millimeters. So done. Then OK, exit it. After that I'm going to the right plane and go to the feature. Select the reference geometry. Then plane is selected and it will be start from 0, I mean origin. Then I'm going to the sketch and select the circle. Once circle is selected, the initial point is created and it will be normal too. Okay, I'm taking this one is 10 millimeters dia. If you take it more, then it will be some problems because the fillet dia radius is very small. Click on the circle, now it's okay. Then I'm going to the features and select the sweep walls. Click on this circle, then another click on this path. Then the pipe is created, but it's not a hollow. So you can, if you want to hollow, then go to the thin and we want to take this 1 millimeter thickness or 0.5 millimeters thickness. Then it will be very thin. You're watching. The pipe is created. Then I'm going here for selecting the materials. I'm taking the plastic, taking this one, and taking this color. Then we can change these colors also. Take this one, and anyone if you want. Okay, I'm taking this one. Then done. Go to here. Then select it. The plane will be height. I think everybody understood what I have done. This one is the pipe by using the swift based command or swift command in Solidworks software. So thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Redesign engineering always with you. Please and press the bell icon. Thank you everybody.